SUNCUE Husk Furnace Grain Drying Complex creates the best rice quality at the lowest drying cost. In Taiwan, SUNCUE has many successful installations among all farmers' associations and rice mills. Take Taiwan Union Rice, for example. They use SUNCUE Husk Furnace 120 days per year, and each set can save fuel cost up to $175,000 each year. The Liaoning Dingxiang rice mill in China uses SUNCUE Husk Furnace 270 days per year and saves $450,000 annually. Shanghai Farm and Chuadong Farm also installed 4 sets respectively already. SUNCUE Husk Furnace has successfully exported to Japan, Southeast Asia, Europe, Latin America, and other countries. Because of its high and fast return on investment, as well as its excellent performance in energy conservation and CO2 reduction, our customers consistently purchase and expand their business scale.